In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post a job on LinkedIn. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to write, and how to set things up so the right candidates can find you quickly and easily. Start by logging into your LinkedIn account. Use the profile that best aligns with your hiring goals, whether that's your personal profile or one associated with your business. This keeps everything organized so you can manage postings, message candidates, and receive notifications in one place. From your homepage, look toward the top navigation bar and select Jobs. This opens LinkedIn's Job Hub, a dedicated space designed to guide you through hiring from start to finish. Next, choose Post a Free Job. This is where the process begins. Your first task is to enter the job title. Keep it clear and recognizable so it matches what candidates are actually searching for. Avoid internal jargon and abbreviations. When you're confident it accurately reflects the role, click Continue. Now, craft your job description. Think of this as your pitch to potential candidates. Outline the key responsibilities in plain language, note the must have qualifications, and share any details that help candidates understand the role and your organization's expectations. Clarity and specificity here help attract qualified applicants and reduce mismatches. When your description reads well and answers the obvious questions, click Continue. You'll move into job settings. While there may be no screening questions by default, you can add them to help surface strong matches faster. Choose questions that genuinely predict success in the role, things like required certifications or experience with specific tools. You can also enable rejection settings so applicants who don't meet your must have criteria receive an automatic decline. This keeps your pipeline manageable and respectful of candidates' time. As applications come in, LinkedIn will send email updates, so make sure you're using an inbox you check frequently. You can also add the hiring frame to your profile photo. It's a simple way to signal to your network that you're recruiting, which can expand your reach through shares and referrals. LinkedIn may prompt you to promote your job for broader visibility. If you're focusing on cost effective hiring, you can decline and post without promotion. The final step is adding a payment method for validation. You won't be charged immediately, though you may see a small temporary hold, typically up to $1, as a security check. That's it, you're ready to publish your job. If this walkthrough helped, please like the video, subscribe for more step by step guides, and tap the bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching.